Understanding low season in travel and business. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that's very common in the travel and business industries: low season. Whether you're planning a vacation or managing a business, understanding this phrase can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. The term low season refers to a period of time during the year when a destination or business experiences a reduction in tourist traffic or sales. This is usually due to various factors like weather, school schedules, or holidays. It's the opposite of high season, which is when tourism and business are booming. Several reasons contribute to the low season. For instance, in tropical destinations, the rainy season might discourage tourists, leading to a low season. Similarly, during school terms, families are less likely to travel, resulting in fewer tourists. Understanding these patterns can help in planning trips or business strategies. Traveling or doing business during the low season can have its perks. Tourists may enjoy lower prices, fewer crowds, and a more authentic experience. For learners, it's also a perfect time to practice English by interacting with locals, as the slower pace allows for more engagement. However, the low season can present challenges. Businesses might struggle with cash flow, and tourists may face limited services as some shops or attractions may close down or reduce hours. It's important to prepare for these potential setbacks. To make the most out of the low season, businesses can offer specials or discounts to attract customers. Tourists can take advantage of the competitive prices and more personalized attention from service providers. It's a time to explore destinations in a different light. That's all on the topic of low season. Whether it means saving money on a trip or finding ways to boost business during slower months, understanding this term is key. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you make the best out of the low season. Happy learning, and see you next time.